today we're gonna be installing a 11-inch Android sat nav on this Ford Ecosport. So let's get started by taking off these factory trims here. First things first, you need to take the stuff out of here. It's just held in by clips. That comes off easy. Next, there are two T20 screws here. You need one of these T20 screwdriver. Take these two screws off from here. And after that, you can just try to pull this fascia towards you. It should be just held in by clips again. And after that, there's one cable that you have to unclip from the back, which is for the hazard light button. There you go, nice and easy. Okay, so after taking off the fascia, you need to take the actual drive itself. So we just held by two T20 screws again. And you can pull the drive towards you. There are three cables which you need to take them off from the back. One's the radio antenna and a couple of power cables. You got the drive comes off. And at last, the last thing you need to take this off is the little screen here, which is just held by two T20 screws again. The screws are at the top. You need to pull the screen up, not forward, because you see these two locks here, which is just held in by these two locks here in place. So you need to pull it up. And next, there's just one cable holding it. Take it off, and that's it. Alright guys, so these are the three USBs that we can get with the unit. So what I'm going to do is use this little space here to run the cables at the back of the power box here, and take them from this empty place here and run it at the back of the unit here without blocking the air vents. Guys, so this is the microphone that we got on the package. So what I'm going to do here is take this seal off here and run this microphone up here and stick it up here and run the cable all the way to the back of the panel here and put the seal back like that. And so for next, after doing that, you have to run this cable from the back of your dash here and bring it and bring the cable up here like that. This is the main power plug which we need to plug into the unit. So we just this plug here just goes there and clicks in. There you go, to the click, nice and easy. And next you got is the reverse camera adapter plug. Goes there, and this is the CAN bus plug from the main power loom. Make sure you plug that in. Alright guys, I've plugged everything up here, including the main power harness, the USBs, the reverse camera, the radio antenna and the two antennas. And it's time to close the unit and have a look at the unit.